All right, so to begin simplifying this expression, you want to make it so that each term has the same denominator. So you want to make all the terms have denominators of x times y. So that means that you're going to multiply this first guy by y over y, this guy by x over x, this guy by y over y as well, and this one by x over x. Remember, you can do this because each of these are just like multiplying by 1. Then it becomes 3y minus 4x all over xy. So you can combine them because they all have the same denominator. And here we got 4y minus 3x all over xy, because once again, they have the same denominator. And then from here, you can just multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So what you'll get is 3y minus 4x over xy times the reciprocal of this, which will be xy over 4y minus 3x. I hate writing to the edge of the paper, but you can see what's going on. And then from here, you can see the xy groups will cancel. And so then all you're left with in your final answer is 3y minus 4x all over 4y minus 3x. All right, let's look at another one. Okay, so for this one, we're going to first make the denominator, or make the denominator of the numerator of the top 3x. So we're going to multiply this 1, which is just like a 1 over 1, by 3x over 3x. And then you get 3x minus 2 all over 3x. And in the denominator, we're going to multiply this x over 1 by 9x over 9x. And so then you'll get 9x squared minus 4 over 9x, just as that. Then we go ahead, we multiply by the reciprocal, we flip it over, or just flip the denominator over, that is. So we're going to get 3x minus 2 over 3x multiplied by 9x over 9x squared minus 4. Now, what's going to happen here is that first this 3 and this 9 are going to reduce to 3. These x's will cancel, it just becomes like a 1. So this right here just becomes 1. And this can actually factor into a 3x minus 2 times a 3x plus 2. So if I expand it so you can see it easier, what I really have on top is 3x minus 2 times 3 all over just that 1 times the 3x minus 2 times the 3x plus 2. And then these 3x minus 2 groups cancel. And then so all you're left with is the 3 over 3x plus 2. And that'll be your final answer. All right, one more. Okay, now this one, these exponents, don't let them throw you off. Remember, this is just 1 over x cubed. Minus x all over 1 over x squared minus 1. So that means to combine these, you want to make this denominator be an x cubed. So you're going to multiply this x by an x cubed over an x cubed. And then what you're getting on top is 1 minus x cubed all over x cubed. Or no, 1 minus x to the fourth. Whoops. 1 minus x to the fourth all over x cubed. Now this denominator, we're going to make this 1 be multiplied by an x squared over an x squared. And then so you have just 1 minus x squared over an x squared. Then multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator. So we're going to get 1 minus x to the fourth over x cubed times x squared over a 1 minus x squared. Now, this x cubed and this x, this can factor out because then all you have here left is x, and then here you got a 1. And this can actually be factored into a 1 minus x squared times a 1 plus x squared. So then let me write it all out so you can see it easier. So what you have there is this 1 minus x squared times a 1 plus x squared times a 1 all over the x times a 1 minus x squared. And so these 1 minus x squared groups cancel. And then so all you're left with is 1 plus x squared all over x. And that'll be your final answer.